How to compare type of an object in Python? Basically, I want to do this. I tried. And it didn't work. Also, what about the other types? For example, I couldn't replicate non-type.
In your case, if instances as a string, str, will return true. You may also want to read this URL.
First, avoid all type comparisons. They're very, very rarely necessary. Sometimes, they help to check parameter types in a function, even that's rare. Wrong type data will raise an exception, and that's all you'll ever need. All of the basic conversion functions will map as equal to the type function. There are a few other cases. None, BTW, never needs any of this kind of type checking. None is the only instance of non-type. The none object is a singleton. Just check for none. BTW, do not use the above in general. Use ordinary exceptions and Python's own natural polymorphism.
Isinstance works. But, keep in mind, if it looks like a duck, and if it sounds like a duck, it is a duck. Edit, for the none type, you can simply do.
For other types, check out the types module. PS type checking is a bad idea.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.